Welcome to day 14. Follow along to make this easy holiday letter that can act as a front door wreath or personalized gift. You need a large paper mache letter, red hot candies, peppermints, your glue gun, red ribbon, and red paint. Start by painting your entire letter. Once dry, cover the front with peppermints. Glue one red hot between each peppermint for some added Christmas color. This would also be cute using the green and white peppermints. Use your ribbon to make a bow and attach the ends to the back of the letter. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.